Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on the video of this Octavia. This is our Octavia Estate 1.5 petrol automatic in the SEL specification, and it's in race blue metallic paint. So the car has got a variable boot floor with two different platforms. As standard on the SELs, it comes with part leather, part micro suede upholstery, and there are also textile floor mats in the vehicle already. So the car currently has 3,399 miles on the clock. You have the multi-function steering wheel and cruise control on the indicator stalk. Over here is the infotainment screen. The car has got a built-in navigation unit along with SmartLink, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have the dual zone climate control air conditioning, DSG gearbox. Over here you have the automatic headlights, all 4 electric windows, and the wing mirror controls, which are heated and electric. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call the showroom on 0208 686 8844. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.